welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a what's in my bag, and I've always been really highly requested to do these videos, and I asked you guys on my Insta stories if you guys wanted to see this, since I did get a new bag pretty recently, just in February. So it's the one right behind me, the Gucci bag, and it's just so different, and I actually haven't used it yet. Never really seen anything like it before, so I definitely will leave the actual bag that I have down in the description bar for you guys, and then everything that I have that I would have in that bag I'm going to talk about today and do a what's in my bag for you guys. So if you guys are excited about seeing this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe now for weekly videos, lifestyle, beauty, and decor. And then also head on over to my vlog channel. I do tons of like home decor and stuff over there. But yeah, I did also get my hair done, guys. And if you guys have been following me, you know that I was getting my new tape-ins put in. So I'm so happy. I went back to like a really nice rich brown, and the actual tape-ins are just a little bit lighter, so it almost looks like an ombre. I think it looks so good, and I'm just so happy to be back to that color once we go back to Maui in a few weeks, which you guys, I'm so excited for our honeymoon, you have no idea. And yeah, I'm not gonna ramble on too much. Let's just get started with this video. So this is the bag right here, and it's a Gucci bag. I actually haven't bought a Gucci bag before, so it's my first one, and I just loved it because it had like all of the pretty much bling going on here, and then I thought this was really cool too. A clutch right here, and then also I really like this bag because obviously you can wear it both ways, so you can wear it long or you can wear it short, and I usually like wearing it long. But yeah, I really love this bag. It's such a beautiful color as well. It's also the suede material, so you have to be so careful using it, which is so scary for me. But yeah, I mean, I am gonna eventually use it very soon. I just haven't had like a really nice occasion. It also is like a very luxe bag, like it's very heavy. But yeah, obviously you can fit like a nice amount of stuff in here, and I'm just gonna tell you guys and show you guys today everything that I would pack in my bag. So I just got everything that I would have in my bag right over the side right here, then I'll show you guys what it looks like inside my bag. But of course, you guys know I always travel with my vlog camera. I vlog all the time, and this is the Canon G7x. I get asked questions all the time on which camera I use. This is my favorite. I used to have a pink camera, and I think it was a Canon as well, and I had too many issues with it. It was also a flip screen, but there were so many problems. As cute as it was, and like I would love to have a pink camera. I hope they come out with a pink one for this one. But this is just, yeah, really easy camera to use, and it's obviously a flip screen, and I just love the quality. Like I don't have to edit it at all when I upload, and it's just so quick, so easy. Also the photos are really good on this camera as well. So if you guys are looking for like a vlog camera or a travel camera, this is amazing. So I will leave a link down below on where I got it. I got this off Amazon, or I got it in Vancouver at a camera store. I can't remember, but you can buy it anywhere. It is on Amazon though, so I'll leave a link down below. And next, of course, I usually have some gum with me. So right here, we just got some Dentine Ice. It's actually by Vanity Primp, and they're on Instagram, and I just got this custom mirror made. So it was like lashes, brushes, and it's got a bunch of bedazzled jewels on it, and I just love it. So it's actually a light up mirror. I don't think it lights up anymore though. Oh, it does. Ooh, it does. So it's a little dirty right now because makeup, obviously, but it's really nice because when you're traveling with it, you can just flip it like this, and it's huge. So it's really, really nice to use, and I love how big it is. So I'm always traveling with this, and I have it in my bag. So that's next. And then of course I've got my keys right here. So of course I have my little unicorn right here. Ryan actually never takes my keys because he's like, you have way too much going on here. And then I've got like my little Shoppers Optimum card. I've got my little thing for my car here. Sorry. It just says SRT right back here. Maxi! Next, I have 3 lip products that I want to share with you guys. So I always carry Angel. You guys know this is my go-to lipstick. I love this lipstick so much, and I don't even think I have it that much left. Like, this is almost out, so I definitely have to go get another one. It's what I have on my lips right now, and it's just such a nice soft pink. It's my absolute favorite. So I definitely will be picking up another one once I red out. And then the other one is I always like to keep my lips really hydrated, so I carry this just in case I have dry, cracked lips throughout the day. So this is the Clinique Pep Start Pout Perfecting Balm. So I bought this pretty recently at Sephora, and it has been totally working out for me. It's so hydrating, and I use it morning and night or throughout the day. It's just my always go-to item. And then right here we have the Too Faced Melted Latex Liquefied High Shine Lipstick, and this is Hopeless Romantic. This is the most perfect nude I have ever worn. Honestly, I really, really love this color, and I'll just swatch it on my hand for you guys. So it is a really nice like peachy nude. So that's the color there, and it's just so nice to wear. Really, really high shine, and if you like glossy high shine finishes like I do, you're gonna love this. So just depending on what I'm wanting to do, either a pink or more of like a peachy nude. So the next things I have here is my wallet and then my passport case. So if I was traveling with the bag, then of course I'd have my passport in this cute little holder right here. I love this so much, it's so cute. And I actually got this made from a subscriber. So, and I talk about it all the time. It's just so adorable. So it says SLMISSGLAM on there and it's just so custom. So I always take it with me if I am traveling. And then right here, this has just been my go-to wallet for the longest time now. So this is like the multicolor LV wallet. So I also had like my initials engraved in there. So it just says SL at the bottom. I took out just some of my cards right there, but yeah, it has like a really nice, gorgeous pink on the inside. And it's just such a nice wallet. It is a little bit bigger. So you would need like a little bit of a bigger bag. You can't really use like a small clutch bag because it is the size of a clutch, but I really do love this. And I know you guys can't get it anymore. I think you can get it like if someone was reselling it, but they don't actually make this anymore, which I'm so sad about that because I loved the multicolor. And then the last thing that I'd have with me is my phone right here. So I usually have to always have a bag that can fit this bad boy in there because I always have my phone with me. I do have this really cute marble case and it has like rose gold down here. So I really love the case. But yeah, I always carry my phone with me and thankfully it did fit into the bag. But that's pretty much everything that I could fit because it is a smaller bag. Now, if I was carrying like my LV bag up there, then definitely I could fit so much more in that bag. I already have done a what's in my bag. I'll leave a link down below on what I carried in that bag. I might do like an updated one just because it's been like I think a year. But yeah, it is a smaller bag so I can only fit this much in there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I have and now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like all in the bag. I've actually never done it this way where I like put everything in here after, but I'm just going to make sure that it fits. And then I thought I would show you guys what it looks like.
So we're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips.
Okay, so everything did fit into the bag and it is actually really heavy with everything inside there, but I wouldn't want to get anything more in here just because it is pretty much stuffed in full. So I'm really happy everything fit and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I always love watching these videos, and if you guys want to see an updated one of that other LV bag, I have the bigger one, which I usually carry, you know, like my full makeup bag, so I'd show you all my makeup and everything like that. Maybe I could do like a travel what's in my bag, so if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what you guys carry in your bag. Is it kind of similar to what I have, or is it different? Yeah. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you have seen the new Unicorn Princess brush book. So these are the brushes that I'm going to be launching very soon and I'm so excited, but I've been doing a lot of giveaways for you guys just up until it launches. So yeah, to enter this giveaway, all you guys have to do to win this book is comment down below your favorite video of mine that I've uploaded, and that's it. That's all you guys have to do, and you guys have to be subscribed to my channel and also my vlog channel. So that's just 3 steps, 3 easy steps, and it's also open internationally as well, so it's open to everybody, and I'm going to be announcing the winner right after Easter, so on Tuesday. And that also gets me to happy Easter, everybody. I am so excited for our turkey dinner coming up, and no, I'm not cooking, but I'm really excited to have some turkey. We love turkey dinner, and yeah, let me know if you guys are doing anything for Easter, anything fun, and I'm just super excited for this weekend, and that is why I wanted to upload this video for you guys right before I give you guys like a really cool, awesome video. And I personally love watching these videos. What's in my bag are like my favorite. If you guys enjoyed it, definitely give it a thumbs up, and also thank you guys so much for all the love and support you've been giving me, and I just am so appreciative. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!